Hey guys, this is sort of gonna be a little bit of a not normal video. This is going to be an announcements video. So basically something happened with my computer. I had just got done recording the review for this mic yesterday. Sort of hear how it sounds, but I just got done recording this, and I noticed that I was getting alerts on my PC that my OneDrive was full. And if you didn't know, your OneDrive and your PC like syncs, it's like default or whatever. So I was just like, why don't I just stop syncing it and sort of just delete the OneDrive because I don't need all my files synced. So to OneDrive because I actually have a NAS which I was setting up yesterday around the same time I was about to set up to where my files back up to the NAS, and so I was going through OneDrive and I was deleting those files because I'm like I don't need files on my OneDrive. Well, I didn't know that it literally syncs. Like it syncs between your PC and your OneDrive. So if you delete a file on the OneDrive, it deletes on your PC, which I think is really dumb. That's not how it should work. It should be a backup, not a sync. So, like a whole bunch of my files got deleted. But I tried to get it out of the OneDrive recycle bin, but because my files had because I had stopped syncing earlier between OneDrive, all the files had not been backed up because actually I don't think it even could sync anymore because the OneDrive was full. So I restored those files, but because all the files hadn't synced, I lost files. I actually lost one of the recordings for this review. I was able to get most of them back except one file, but luckily I was able to I had converted it to an MP4. So it had been downloaded from the internet because I had to download it back from the internet onto my PC, so it could be an MP4 version. And I had downloaded it. Luckily, you could just go and like Google Downloads, and it shows all your previous downloads. And I was able to hit download there and download that video back. So I saved all those files, but sadly, I do not. My Minecraft server files, which me and my brother spent a lot of time on, got deleted in the process, which is really sad. So for today, I'm just gonna try to figure everything out. So I'm not gonna release the video today, the review of this mic. So stay tuned to next week. I will have that video out. And yeah, this was just an announcement, just sort of telling you why I'm not posting a video this week.